Hey kids, come here, come here.
What is this?
I have some free candy. You want to get in?
No way, man. We're smarter than that.
Wait, where are you going? You sure you don't want some free candy?
Remember, it sounds too good to be true. It is. Don't ever trust people like that.
Okay.
I've been thinking about selling the house.
Oh, really? Why?
Yeah, well, the family's getting bigger.
Yeah.
With the new baby coming. I think it's a...
Come here, come here.
What's this?
Do you guys want to sell your house at a discounted rate?
You can sell our house for cheap?
Heck yes, I'm the cheapest agent you're ever gonna find.
I just don't know what I got into. The house is still sitting on the market after 6 months. I should have just hired a real agent.